All right, so we are going to focus in on that thylakoid membrane and look more closely at photosystem 2. Photosystem 2, the major pigment in that system is chlorophyll A, and we're going to have a lot of those. That is the most numerous pigment in plants. So we'll have lots and lots of those embedded in the membrane. Remember, chlorophyll A has that fatty lipid tail, so it can stick right in there. The other molecule or pigment that we'll have a lot of is chlorophyll B, and that's the second most common pigment that we have in our photosystems. Remember, there's just a small difference between the two in a hydroxyl group. And the other pigments that we have are accessory pigments, and those include zeaxanthin, carotenoids, all kinds of things in there. So we'll have lots of helpers in there. And then I want to go back to our chlorophyll A again and talk about our two really special ones, two chlorophyll A molecules that are known as our reaction centers. And our reaction center for photosystem 2 has its best absorption at 680 nanometers. So often you'll see the reaction center labeled as P680 for photosystem 2. Okay. So there's our photosystem 2. And you might see it as PS2 for short. All right, now let's look at our other photosystem, and we'll put that in there. Okay, and our other photosystem will be a little further away there. We're gonna again blow that up. It's going to have a similar set of pigments, so it's going to have lots of chlorophyll A's again. Again, the most numerous kind of pigment embedded in that membrane. And we're going to have some chlorophyll B's, the second most common pigment. And we'll have some accessory pigments. So those are the ones that you get to see in the fall. The oranges and the yellows and the reds, the carotenoids, zeaxanthins, and things like that. And then this one also has two special chlorophyll A molecules as its reaction center. But this time, these pigments absorb best at 700 nanometers. So sometimes you'll see it indicated like that. All right, so we have our two photosystems embedded in our membrane with our reaction centers. So now we're going to talk about the transfer of electrons.